Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Sir Boat's Yacht, your go-to channel for everything classic, luxurious, and iconic in the world of yachts. Today we have something truly special to explore, a timeless masterpiece of Dutch yacht design. The Spes Mea, built in 1969 by the renowned Hakvoort Shipyard. This yacht is a perfect example of elegance, craftsmanship, and performance all rolled into one, and in this video we're going to take an in-depth look at her key features, design, interior spaces, performance aspects, and what makes her a unique and desirable classic vessel even decades after she first hit the water. At first glance, the Spes Mea is absolutely captivating. The sleek white steel hull and gracefully rounded canoe stern immediately catch your eye, giving her a silhouette that is both strong and elegant. Her lines are clean and purposeful, reflecting the Dutch design philosophy of the late 1960s, which emphasized both beauty and functionality. The bow cuts through the water with a smooth, confident flair, while the slightly curved hull ensures stability and a soft ride even in choppy conditions. Measuring approximately 26 meters in length, she strikes a perfect balance between spaciousness and manageability, providing ample room for comfort without compromising ease of handling. Her proportions are harmonious, with the superstructure integrated seamlessly into the hull, creating a timeless profile that still draws attention today. One of the standout aspects of the Spes Mea is the meticulous attention to design details. The teak decks are polished to a warm golden hue that contrasts beautifully with the crisp white hull, while the varnished mahogany superstructure glows under sunlight, highlighting the richness of the wood. And the craftsmanship involved chrome railings and vintage navigation lights add subtle shine, while the Dutch flag at the stern completes the picture of classic elegance. But every detail serves a purpose, reflecting the Dutch approach of blending aesthetic beauty with functionality. Step inside, and the Spes Mea truly comes to life. The central salon is welcoming, sophisticated, and bathed in natural light streaming through panoramic windows that offer stunning water views. Rich mahogany paneling and polished teak floors create a warm, luxurious environment, while cream leather seating invites guests to relax and enjoy the surroundings. The layout is well thought out, allowing easy movement between the salon, galley, and sleeping quarters, and every inch is optimized with built-in storage and cabinets hidden seamlessly behind elegant woodwork. The galley is compact but fully functional, embodying practical luxury at its finest. Mahogany cabinetry with brass handles, stainless steel countertops, and a vintage stove with chrome accents create a space that is as beautiful as it is efficient. Every tool and appliance is within easy reach, allowing meals to be prepared comfortably even on longer journeys. The combination of wood tones and polished metal surfaces balances warmth and practicality, creating a space that feels both cozy and professional. The sleeping accommodations on the Spes Mea are equally impressive. The owner's cabin is spacious and serene, with a double berth dressed in crisp white linens accented with navy blue throws. Built-in nightstands with brass reading lamps and small wardrobes provide functionality without clutter. Round portholes allow natural light to enhance the rich woodwork, creating a peaceful environment for rest. The guest cabins are designed with the same care, featuring twin berths, subtle decorative touches, and sufficient storage for extended stays, while the bathrooms maintain elegance and practicality with teak floors, white enamel surfaces, and brass fixtures. The Helm is where the Spes Mea combines vintage charm with operational functionality. The wheelhouse features a large wooden steering wheel with a brass hub, surrounded by classic analog gauges for navigation and engine performance. Throttle levers and switches are positioned for convenience without compromising aesthetics. Panoramic windows offer excellent visibility, while polished wood surfaces reflect warm light, creating a luxurious yet practical control environment. It's a space that perfectly illustrates the yacht's ability to merge timeless design with functional usability. Performance-wise, the Spes Mea proves that a classic can be capable as well as beautiful. Her steel hull offers excellent stability and a smooth ride, even in less than perfect sea conditions. The original robust diesel engines provide reliable power, making her suitable for both coastal cruising and longer offshore journeys. While speed was never her primary focus, her engineering ensures comfortable and efficient cruising, and her displacement and hull design allow for responsive and safe handling, making her a joy to command. Another key feature of the Spes Mea is her versatility on deck. She offers ample space for socializing or quiet relaxation. The aft cockpit and bow seating provide generous room for guests, whether enjoying a morning coffee or a sunset cocktail party. The thoughtful arrangement of seating, shade, and access to the interior ensures a flexible space for entertainment and leisure, enhancing her appeal for both owners and guests. Craftsmanship is evident throughout the vessel. Every detail, from polished brass fittings to perfectly integrated lighting, reflects the high standards of Dutch shipbuilding. Hakvoort Shipyard, responsible for her construction, was known for combining durability with elegance, and this commitment is evident in every corner of the yacht, from the smooth operation of doors and drawers to the ergonomically designed galley and precise helm instruments. The attention to detail is remarkable and has allowed the Spes Mea to retain her charm and functionality for over 50 years. One of the unique selling points of the Spes Mea is how well she has aged. Unlike many vessels of her era, she retains her classic appeal without feeling outdated. The combination of aesthetic beauty, functional layout, and seaworthy performance makes her highly desirable in the classic yacht market. Owning or experiencing this yacht is more than just enjoying a luxurious vessel. It's about connecting with a rich tradition of craftsmanship and a style of yachting that prioritizes elegance, durability, and timeless design. Her size also adds to her practicality. At roughly 26 meters, she is large enough to offer luxurious onboard living, yet compact enough to handle easily and navigate both coastal waters and inland waterways. Her proportions are perfectly balanced, with the hull, deck, and superstructure all designed to maximize comfort and usability. This harmony of design and scale is one of the reasons why she remains so appealing to classic yacht enthusiasts today. The historical significance of the Spes Mea cannot be overlooked. She is a representative example of Dutch yacht building in the late 1960s, a period that combined classic elegance with modern convenience. Her presence today reminds us of a golden era when yachts were built to last decades, blending aesthetic design with practicality. The materials, layout, and construction philosophy all reflect a deep commitment to quality and longevity, making her a living piece of maritime history. Perhaps the most captivating aspect of the Spes Mea is the experience she offers. Stepping aboard feels like entering a different time, where every detail was considered and every moment on the water was meant to be savored. The warmth of mahogany, the smooth teak underfoot, and the gentle hum of well-maintained engines create a serene and refined atmosphere. It is a vessel that provides more than transportation. It offers an experience, connecting the past with the present in a truly unique way. In conclusion, the Spes Mea, 1969, is a masterpiece of Dutch yacht design. Combining timeless exterior lines, luxurious and functional interiors, reliable performance, and unparalleled craftsmanship. Her key features, from the polished teak decks and mahogany superstructure to the elegant sleeping quarters and efficient helm, make her a standout among classic motor yachts. The vessel balances practicality and luxury, making her ideal for both cruising and entertaining, while her history and design heritage add to her allure. For anyone who appreciates classic yachts, the Spes Mea represents the pinnacle of mid-century Dutch design. Aboard her, you can enjoy a lifestyle that celebrates elegance, precision, and maritime tradition. She remains a vessel that connects generations, offering timeless appeal, functional comfort, and a truly unique yachting experience. That's it for our deep dive into the Spes Mea. If you enjoyed this tour and want to explore more classic and luxury yachts, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Sir Boats Yacht, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Here at Sir Boats Yacht, we bring you closer to the world of timeless vessels and the incredible stories behind them. Thank you for joining us, and we'll see you on the next voyage.